Hello, I'm Cody. I'm pleased to introduce our project, Back Home Safe, to you. This project is inspired by the current Live Home Safe. However, we try to add more new features into it so that people will be more willing to scan those annoying QR codes. Now let's explore the app. To get started, we have to register a shop account so that we can get some QR code for our customers to scan, right? This is a business ID. You have to remember the business ID for future use. Let's record it here. And let's confirm the registration. Okay, now it's success and the backend returned us a QR code. Let's save it. Name it cc.jpg. Let's also check out the backend to see if it's working. Okay, backend is actually handling the shop register, and also the QR code is generated from this random string. Why do we use random string instead of some meaningful string to generate the QR code? We have explained that in our report. Okay, let's also register NA can because I want more canteen for demo purpose. Let's also record this arbitrary shop ID, register ID, and also some arbitrary phone number. Okay, now keep the QR code for of NA can. Sorry, I'm not sure what. Okay, let's keep it. Okay, we have go back to the home screen. Let's continue our demo. Now we want to add like a customer so that we can demo what customer will experience in this app. Let us register a customer account. We use test@example.com in this case. And some dummy data. Confirm the registration. Okay, now the account is created, and we can also check out the backend to see what's happening. Our registration is actually working. Let's use it to log in. Okay, we have successfully logged in. Let me introduce some basic function. This is a scanner, and the home here is showing the official website of Hong Kong government, displaying the information about the coronavirus. And here history is empty because we haven't visited any restaurant or canteen or venue yet. And the notification, some important notification will be displayed here, like you visit some dangerous place, that kind of stuff. So now let's try to scan those QR code we prepared. To scan the QR code, let us since we are in an emulator environment, so we have to put the photo here. So now first let's scan CC-can. This wall means in the virtual 3D environment later, this QR code will be stuck on the wall. That's what the term wall means is meaning here. You will see. You see the CC-can is appearing on the wall because we put it there. Okay, now the bank is recognized this QR code as CC-can successfully. We can also check the user chat time. We will also see the corresponding record. For example, here you can see the check-in time is still working, and is same time as now. It's successfully recording the check-in time. The check-out time is now. And the now is actually useful because if the check-out time is now and the check-in time exists, that means someone visited the venue and haven't checked out yet, right? So what's the meaning of someone visit the venue and haven't checked out? which means there's someone staying at the venue by that logic. So this become the possibility for us to implement the customer number function, because we can count how many now is here, so that we know how many customer are at the specific shop. So now the shell time is now. Let us leave it. You can see the checkout time is working. Let's also scan the QR code of NA Canteen. Let's go back to the QR code scanner. Okay, now successfully scan the NA Canteen and leave. Okay, successfully leave the NA Canteen. Let's check out our visit history. Oh, you can see here. You did successfully display here, and the customer number is 0 because actually no one is staying at that shop, right, in our database record. Let's also add a now record to show how is the result of customer number implementation. Insert a row here. Oh, sorry, I have to refresh the database here because yeah, insert a row here, and for 405 some arbitrary primary key, and the UUID is 1A4 because we are using 1A4 and the shop ID, I don't remember which shop is CCCan actually. That should be 596. And oh, sorry, it doesn't make sense that the current user haven't lived yet because the current user is actually lived. Let us use another user. What user do we have? Okay, use this time. 2026. Okay, now let's refresh this page. Oh, you can see CCCan is actually has a customer number of 1, which means because a now is here, so that our backend knows someone haven't checked out yet, which means someone is staying at the shop, so that the customer will be 1. And next, I want to show our report function, which means we can report the status of a restaurant. Like we can report it as unsafe or safe. Unsafe would be something like some infected, someone carrying virus visited the shop. That means unsafe. Okay, let's go back to the home screen so that we can report the shop status. And the shop ID, let's report CCCan as unsafe. CCCan, the shop ID is this one. The one who register for the shop should remember the shop ID so that people can report it, or he can report it. Let's report CCCan as unsafe. Okay, CCCan is unsafe now. Let's check the database record. Yeah, you can see the health column, the health attribute is 1, means that the shop is unsafe. So that let us log into our test account to see. Oh, you can see the CCCan is red. It's actually unsafe. So that user knows, oh, CCCan is unsafe. I should avoid to go there, or I should perform some checking, that kind of stuff. And the last function I would like to demo is the notification function. This table is recording notification. Like I've prepared some pre-written notification for demo purpose. Let's change the UID to our current UID. What is our current UID? Let me check. Okay, the current UID is 1A4. So we change the UID to 1A4. 1A4. Okay, let's refresh to check the notification. Oh, it's good. You can see the notification is working here, so that we know some notification from the system.